Seeing the E7 error on your Cuisinart Coffee Center SS-16 can interrupt your morning coffee routine, but it usually signals a simple issue rather than a serious malfunction. This error commonly appears when the machine detects a problem with water flow, internal sensors, or a temporary system glitch. In many cases, a quick inspection and reset can restore normal brewing operation. By checking the water reservoir, cleaning key components, and restarting the machine properly, you can often clear the error and get your coffee maker working again within minutes. Try these. Step 1. Turn the coffee maker off and unplug it, then wait about 1 minute to clear temporary electronic errors. Step 2. Remove the water reservoir, refill it with fresh water, and make sure it is seated properly in place. Step 3. Check the needle and brewing area for coffee residue or blockages and clean them gently. Step 4. Reassemble the machine, plug it back in, and power it on to restart the system. Step 5. Run a plain water brew cycle without coffee to confirm the error is cleared and water flows normally.